In this video, I'm going to show you one SB promo code to use for free. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So if you're looking for a promo code to use for free, this is exactly what you should do. The first thing you should do is come over to this page and click registration and then choose the third option that says by email. This is the only option that is going to allow you to receive a bonus. Once you're here, fill in your surname and name and then choose your country from wherever you are. Once you choose your country, your currency is going to change to the local currency of that country. Fill in your date of birth, your email address, your phone number, and a password. To create a password, you're going to use these four requirements. After creating a password, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. This promo code LEOTV, one is better going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit 100 US dollars, you're going to receive $300. Once that is done, hit these three boxes and click register. After registering your account, complete your first deposit immediately so that you receive your bonus. And this is the best promo code to use for free. Like and subscribe to the channel for more important videos.